Life is rarely a smooth, predictable journey. We all encounter bumps, detours, and even downright storms. Yet, while these challenges can feel overwhelming, they also hold the potential for profound growth. In this crucible of hardship, we are tested, refined, and emerge stronger. Embracing the challenge requires a shift what doesn't kill you, makes you stronger. Instead of viewing hardship more than as obstacles to be avoided, we can perceive them to the as very nature of resilience. Embracing adversity with difficulty and transform choice. Reserve crumble, building resilience, develop new skills to navigate difficult life lessons, fosters resilience. We learn to adapt, developing grit and bounce back from setbacks. Hard times test our perseverance. Overcome, learn to push through pain, our capacity, overcome obstacles, the future, discovering to new strengths. This newfound grit often reveals hidden talents and abilities. We may find ourselves capable of things we never thought possible. Experience this self-discovery can increase our confidence and personal growth. We gain a deeper understanding of human suffering and develop a stronger desire to help those in need. Appreciating the good. Having weathered challenges, we learn to appreciate the good times even more. The contrast between hardship and ease enhances our gratitude for the blessing in our lives. Embrace the challenge. Face adversity head on and allow it to be your catalyst for personal transformation. Remember, the toughest times can be the most rewarding, propelling us towards a stronger, more resilient, and ultimately a more fulfilling future. It's your boy, Schwabby Dobby.